Let me get you a close-up of you. You doing all right? Tearing him down, huh? All righty, brother. Tear on down. It's history. Come on, let me see you hit him. I'm recording history. All right. Look at the camera and say hello, brother.
A child is born. Mother shed tears of joy as baby kissed his lungs. But daddy's not there where he ought to be. Somewhere in Georgia, skinning and shooting crooks on his knee.
Now we're going across the street to where the old pool hall used to be. Our old pool hall used to be right here. Let me see if I can't get some more. There's my boy, Dutch sitting on the corner. Don't want to see it go. Young man! All right. Let me get a back vision of it. This used to be our pool hall. This was our pool hall. Many good times up in them rooms, downstairs. It's getting near to be history. And Dutch sitting there. Go ahead, Dutch. All right, Dutchie. Smile, you're on candy camera, Dutchie. Smile, Dutchie. You ready to see it go? All right, Brother Hoot. And there's the other building. This is one that right here, historic, where a lot of parties was at. This is our American Legion. The oldest building that's standing on the corner right now. That's the only building that's left for us. There it is. And there's used to be the playhouse. And here's all the guys. I'm gonna see if I can't take a look on the inside of this place. All right. Used to be the thing. Yeah. Just tore all the pieces. All the pool tables used to set from here all the way back. The bar. It's over. It's history. Number of people coming down the street. I'm gonna take them all. Get the close up on them. The ones that's watching go down the stream. We got over here, we got Miss Betty. Got Miss Betty carrying on. Uncle Reed, Brooke, T. And we're going to look around at Brown Martin. Let's see that as it goes in town. There you go. That's Chester's place. Used to be Chester's place. Knocking him down. You can see the tables. Some of the tables they set outside. Memories. Old memories. Well, tear. Level down. Yeah, that's it for a little minute. Let me go check out some of the boys. Check out some of the boys. That's Hopewell. That's B. Mr. Henry. That's Crawford. And there's Pretty Nitty. Pretty Nitty, you hate to see him go, don't you? Pretty Nitty.